tackling one of the most asked and often feared question in a tech, right? Will I will AI take over the software engineering roles? Is it true or not? I will say completely not. With the powerful tools like ChatGPT, GitHub, Copilot, and even a Devin, the AI software engineer, many are wondering if coding is still a future proof career or not. So, but don't panic. Today we are going to break down it and see the real impact of AI in the coding world. So, let's dive in and explore what's really going on. So, let's say what's happening right now in AI. So AI is rapidly changing the way we approach the coding, right? We have seen AI tools like a Copilot that generate the entire functions, ChatGPT helping debug, explaining errors, even writing the documentation. It make our life so easy, right? We type any question, it give us the solution to the error. It also can write the full code for you too, right? So some AI models can now build entire apps from simple prompts. But it's a fast, it's impressive, but it is not perfect. Okay? Because it cannot replace the human intelligence at a complete level. Okay? So here AI isn't here to replace the coding. It's a here to transform how we do it. It can fasten your work, it can help you to fix the bugs, and you don't need to waste the time to write a lot of documentation. That is true, but it cannot think like a human actually. And if you learn how to use, and it can make you faster, more efficient, and more innovative in your approach. So what AI can do? Now we will discuss what AI can do and what AI can't do. So let's break it down. So let's first discuss what AI can do, and more importantly what it can't do. Here we will start with what AI can do. It can generate the boilerplate code, right? And repetitive task. If you are asking it question, you are saying just write a code for me for this program, it will write it easily, right? And it can also give you the many examples of the same like your program. Okay? And it can also help you to translate the code between the languages. This is also like the good one, and the you can use it, right? And it will also suggest the code improvements too. This is the AI can do. It can help debugging and testing too. But if under what AI can't do yet, even in the future I will say. Okay, so the first thing is understand the unclear or ambiguous project goals, which is only possible by the human intelligence. If software engineers task is not only to write the code, their task is to about the critical thinking. Their task is to write the critical code at a deeper level, solve the complex problems. Your AI can only understand if you are explaining it, it will give you the code, but after some time it will start giving you the the I will say the wrong code too. It is not it cannot think like a human actually. So it will start providing you the understand the ambiguous code. So this means your AI cannot understand the can't do the unclear or ambiguous project goals. We need the human there. We need the software engineer, and companies also need the software engineers in future too. It cannot communicate with the clients, right? If you have the stakeholder in the company, there are the team manager, there are other persons. AI cannot communicate with them, right? Or with the team members. And it cannot design the scalable architectures for the complex system too. This is also one of the thing which the AI can't do, and it cannot make a creative or high level of actually productive decision, which is only possible with the help of the human intelligence. Okay, so you, like, the software engineer is about much more than, again I will say, much more than just writing a code. It's about understanding the problem, creating the solutions, and adapting to changing the needs. So these are still very much human strengths, which is not possible with the AI. So where are the AI is used in the companies? So let's talk about how the developers are actually using the AI today. So startup companies are using the tools like Copilot to build the MVPs faster. Today I was talking with one of my student here, like they are working in the healthcare department. So in the like they have the other colleagues too in the IT company, but there is a they are using the actually Copilot tools. Okay, so this is going to be very popular. So freelancers are speeding up their workflows with the AI suggestions too, right? This as I shared with you when I started the live session, they are using the AI for the, like, to speed up their work, right? But still they need to write the code too. Teams are using the AI for generating documentation or creating test cases automatically. This is also like a making very easy. But here is the key takeaway. Humans are still in control. AI is the co-pilot. AI is not the pilot. You should fit this thing in your mind. It is the co-pilot, but it is not pilot. So AI can accelerate your work, but it still requires the human creativity, strategy, and critical thinking. Okay, and on top of that, like if you are a developer and maybe you are doing the computer engineering, maybe you are doing the you have done the any recently courses and you are worried about it, did I took the like the right decision or not, right? So here is the truth. You don't need to be worried, but you need to adapt actually. Okay, so what is that? The shift happening right now is this: the future belong to the developers who know how to use AI effectively actually. Okay, not to those who will ignore the AI. Okay, you don't need to be afraid of AI replacing you. In fact, AI could be the tool that helps you become a better developer and faster. It will save your time, right? And it will also help you. So if you are just starting out, don't panic, keep focusing on the foundations. Okay, like you can work on the data structures, algorithms, problem solving, and then start using the AI to accelerate your learning and projects, because this is going to help you in the companies too. If you know the coding, you are expert in the coding, and you know how to use the AI tools too, like the Copilot and the other tools, GitHub Copilot, the companies are using, then this is going to be the bonus point for you. Okay, and you can use it, right? So the five skills that will matter even more in the AI age. So what are those? Number one, your critical thinking, understanding what to build, why are you building it, and the impact it will have. Okay, and the second is your system design. AI can't build the complex architectures and understand the large scale system. That's your job as a software engineer. So you should focus on this skill. Build the strong foundation. If you have already a lot of experience in the system design, this is the plus point for you. Okay, and the work on your communication. AI can't interact with the clients, customers, or your teams to understand the bigger picture. So just focus on this third skill too, right? This is along with your other skills like your coding part. I'm talking about the skills apart from it, because coding part AI is already doing for you, right? But if there is a complex projects and other system designs and a critical thinking, this will be your job, because AI can only work what you are asking to do the AI, right? And then creativity and innovation. AI lacks the creativity. to drive the new ideas, okay, and make a decision based on the user needs. This is the you are the one who is going to do it. Adaptability. The tech world is constantly evolving. Be ready to evolve with it, learning the new skills and the tools as you go. So you will have the future proof your career. Okay. Now the thing is, here most important, what is the most important thing? Don't too much worried about the AI will take like the replace the software engineers. But if you are going to focusing on the skills which I have shared with you, plus if you are going to learn the AI tools too, then this is the bonus point for you. Then you can survive longer as a software engineer in the companies too. Okay, so just let me ask you this. So, how many of you have tried using the ChatGPT or Copilot for your coding projects? Did you ever used? Okay, and did it make things easier, or did you run into any challenges? So, drop your thoughts in the chat. I would love to hear your experiences. Okay, and AI will not eliminate the software engineer. That's true. Okay, but it will eliminate the engineers who refuse to embrace the AI actually. So here is just the solution as I told you. If you are just starting out, keep focusing on your core skills like problem solving, algorithms, and data structures, but add AI into your toolkit. Okay, this is your mandatory skill in these days and in future too. Okay, learn how to use AI to speed up repetitive tasks. So even it is a saving your time too, right? If you're doing the freelancing and if you know how to use a AI which can save your time, you it's a biggest plus point for you, right? You can use it. Why you don't want to use it? Just the thing is, you need to upgrade your skills with your existing skills. Just add the AI tool into your toolkit. That's it. You need to do that and get the instant feedback on your code and explore the new ideas if you are using the AI toolkit. So, the best engineer of the future will be now AI augmented humans, meaning they will be able to do more faster with more creativity, all while working with the AI to improve their coding workflow. So you don't need to worry. Instead, embrace this transformation, learn to adapt. Okay, and use the AI to boost your career. AI will make you better at what you do if you know how to use it. Your career is still in your hands. Okay, the key to success will always be in your ability to learn, adapt, and grow. So this was the all about our today's live session topic. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next live session with more updates and the about the more AI, like the things you can learn. Okay, thank you so much.